The OMU system NMM82 is a versatile multimeter ideal for professional and hobbyist use. It offers high measurement accuracy and stability, supporting functions like voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and temperature measurement. Key features: digital display, large backlit screen for easy reading. Auto range selection simplifies operation for faster measurements. Safety protection, overcurrent and overvoltage safeguards. Specifications: voltage, AC/DC, up to 1000 volts. Current, AC/DC, up to 10 amps. Resistance, up to 40 megohms. Temperature, minus 20 degrees Celsius to plus 1000 degrees Celsius with sensor. Frequency, up to 100 megahertz. Special functions includes data hold, relative measurement, and auto power off for battery conservation.